Place the sponges in the washing machine drawer and pour this liquid. This trick will make your washing machine last for many years without any malfunctions. Soak the sponges with it and put them in the washing machine. You likely often overlook the detergent drawer when cleaning your washing machine. Moisture in its uncleaned corners causes mold to develop, leading to an unpleasant odor over time. This sponge trick will clean your washing machine the fastest. Take a sponge and remove its rough side. Place it in the detergent drawer. Do the same with the second sponge. Soak the sponges generously with vinegar. They should be well saturated. Close the drawer and wait 10 minutes. Then run the washing machine on a short cycle. During the wash, the vinegar is evenly released from the sponge, thoroughly cleaning the drawer as well. I repeat this process once a month, and as a result, my washing machine is always clean, and the clothes taken out of it smell fresh. Each drawer in a washing machine has 3 compartments, but not everyone knows what they are for. One mistake can affect your laundry. If you use detergent pods, you might not use the detergent drawer at all. So, take a look at the drawer in your washing machine. Do you know which compartment is for what? There are always 2 compartments with lines and 1 compartment with a flower symbol. These lines are the Roman numerals 1 and 2. The compartment with the number 1 is for the pre-wash detergent. Most people never use the pre-wash cycle, so they don't use this compartment. The compartment with the flower is for fabric softener. If you use fabric softener, you pour it in here. Compartment number 2 is for the main wash detergent. This is where you pour liquid detergent or put in powder. It has an additional feature that makes it easier to use different types of detergent. More and more often, it has a small compartment that is movable. When you use powder detergent, the compartment should be raised. If you want to pour in liquid detergent, then this compartment should close off the part with the liquid. This way, the liquid won't spill out of the washing machine if the drawer is pulled out too far. Each compartment, therefore, has a specific use. Take a look at your washing machine and check if you are using the compartments in its drawer correctly. I clean the washing machine regularly. Dirt and limescale disappear. The washing machine is clean, and the laundry always smells fresh. Apply toothpaste to the inner glass of the door. Take half a lemon and spread the paste. Do this especially at the edges, where residue from water and detergents often accumulates. Once you've cleaned the entire glass, toss the lemon into the washing machine drum. Now, focus on the door seal in the washing machine. This is the area where most dirt accumulates and mold. Sprinkle this area with baking soda. It will remove dirt, mold spores, and eliminate unpleasant odors. After doing this, close the washing machine. Open the detergent drawer and spray it with vinegar, all compartments. Vinegar removes limescale, detergent, residue, and mold. If you clean the washing machine irregularly, mold will never appear. Close the drawer and run the washing machine on a standard program. Toothpaste, lemon, baking soda, and vinegar will clean the interior of the washing machine and eliminate deposits and limescale. These ingredients also eliminate mold spores, which may be responsible for the unpleasant odor coming from the washing machine. When the washing machine finishes, open it and remove the lemon. You'll immediately notice that the entire interior shines. Wipe it dry, and it will be cleaner than ever. The detergent drawer will also be cleaner. During the next laundry cycle, you'll notice that your clothes will smell wonderfully. You don't have to worry about the smell of mustiness and mold.
Toss a wet wipe into your dark laundry load. This is a handy trick to solve an annoying issue. Most people have no clue about this hack. Turns out, wet baby wipes have more uses than you might think. They come in handy when you're doing dark laundry. All you need to do is throw 2 damp wet wipes into the washing machine drum and set a regular cycle. Often during the laundry process, some lint and stubborn hairs get stuck on certain clothes. They're particularly noticeable on dark fabrics. The wet wipe trick comes to the rescue. Its fabric attracts and captures lint and hairs. Instead of sticking to your clothes, they end up on the wet wipe. After the laundry is done, simply toss the wipes in the trash. Your black clothes will look good as new, and you won't have to deal with those annoying lint particles.
Throw ice into the dryer and wrinkles on clothes will disappear. This trick will be loved by people who hate ironing clothes. When your clothes have visible wrinkles, you can address this issue easily and without using an iron. Ironing clothes is a hassle and a waste of time for many people. They just don't want to take out the ironing board and turn on the iron. But if you have a dryer or a washer-dryer at home, you're in luck. Take your wrinkled clothes with visible creases. They often appear if we keep folded clothes in the closet instead of hanging them on hangers. Sometimes wrinkles appear if we don't take out the dry laundry immediately. Put 3 to 5 such items into the drum, add a handful of ice cubes, start the drying cycle for about 15 minutes. During this time, the moisture from the ice cubes will eliminate wrinkles while the dryer is working. Clothes will be smooth without ironing. Depending on the fabric, you'll see the effect immediately after taking them out of the dryer. Just 10 or 15 minutes is often enough for the dryer to iron your clothes for you, all thanks to a few ice cubes. Throw them into the washing machine and start the wash cycle as usual. Place your laundry in the drum and add 2 hair rollers. Put them between the items in the washing machine drum. Add a detergent capsule and wash the clothes together with the rollers. Give it a try once, and you'll never stop. Since I started doing this, it's become my favorite way to do laundry, especially for dark clothes. Various threads and tiny lint always stick to dark fabrics. Every tiny hair is visible on dark materials. If you have pets, this problem is even bigger. Dog or cat hair is always visible on black clothes. They're on everything. You surely use a lint roller and hair roller to remove hair and fur. However, this often isn't enough. Even after washing, there are still threads, lint, hair, and fur on clothes. But there's a simple solution to this. Hair rollers are perfect for this. They are made of Velcro, which catches everything. They collect hair and fur from clothes very well. Just throw them into the laundry together with the items. Instead of on clothes, all these tiny debris will be on the rollers after washing. When you try this trick with hair rollers, the problem of hair and fur on clothes will disappear. Put the plastic bag into the washing machine. You'll be surprised what it can do. A simple disposable plastic bag will make your clothes cleaner after being taken out of the washing machine. How is this possible? Clothes carry dust, dirt, and hair. During washing, these contaminants often settle around the seal of the washing machine. That's why there are various dust and hair residues underneath it. All of this stays in the drum. Then these contaminants mix with the clothes in the next wash. But the solution may turn out to be a simple plastic bag. Put it in the washing machine. It must be a bag without printing. Add the clothes you need to wash. Add laundry detergent or a capsule. Pour fabric softener. Set the program to a temperature not higher than 40 degrees and start the washing. What will happen? There will certainly be more foam than usual. Due to the plastic bag, the detergent will foam more. Additionally, during the washing cycle, the plastic bag will collect all the dirt, fur, and hair that were on the clothes. When the washing machine finishes washing, open it and take out the laundry in the plastic bag. I'll show you that there is fine dust and hair on it. And I only washed one blouse. The blouse is clean, the washing machine too, and the residues were either rinsed away with water or removed from the plastic bag.